what's going on, everybody? So it is Sunday, October 2nd, 2022, and today is day 2 of the Bike MS event. I think it used to be called like the Bike MS 150 or MS 150, but the way it worked this time was there was a ride yesterday, a 100-mile rod, and then a 60-mile rod, and then there's a ride today that's 60 miles and 39 miles. So it started at Rolling Oak Mall down in San Antonio, kind of came up like the outskirts of 35 through some back roads and ended out here in New Braunfels yesterday. And then day 2 started here in New Braunfels, and it's kind of like a tour of New Braunfels. I'm not real familiar with New Braunfels. They've already taken off. I'm gonna go see what I can get today, but it's a great organization. The MS Society contacted me a few months ago to work on some interviews for them, and I got sick right after that. It's been a disaster as far as like content creation over the summer, but we're trying to make those videos work now, and that's kind of why I'm out here. But I also wanted to just cover the event. I mean, there's so many familiar faces out here as it is.
Come give me a hug. How you doing? Awesome, man. How are you?
So from what I understand, you can't really just sign up to do this ride. You have to like be a fundraiser, and you have to raise a certain amount of money to be invited out. And man, yesterday there was probably 1,000 people out there. I think they said there was 1,600 that were eligible, and literally close to 1,000 people showed up. And man, it was massive ride, massive amount of support. Actual police support through several towns, several counties. So I mean, it's just a huge undertaking of logistics to get this to happen. And it's all for a good cause, man. Everybody's been cool. Even like the traffic on the road has been like really cool, you know, with all the cycling and stuff like that going on. So anyway, we're gonna go try to catch up with the riders, get some cool spots around New Braunfels, and come back here for the finish.
Wife's kicking my butt.
Hey, that's what they do.
Howdy!
That's what wives do best right there.
My wife, she's making me a better man over here.
Hey.
That's right.
Woo! How far are you riding today?
All the way to the end.
Loving this weather, loving that there's so many people out here.
Watch the tracks, watch the tracks.
And we're gonna beat MS! Woo!
I did have to stop and help a tandem trike team, and we had to clear out some room in the back of the truck, throw the bike in the back, get it over to Surf and Ski so they could start working on it. So that was pretty fun. And that was like early on. This was before I even caught up to like any major group. So
You got something? How you gonna fix that? Internal? Yeah. Okay.
All right, then just seated.
Okay, seated? Okay.
So we were going downhill, got to the to a stop sign. We were supposed to be like curving around. My sister was captaining. Here she comes, and you tell you what happened. Oh yeah, we're going around the corner, and I'm like, oh my goodness, my right brake is not working. Oh goodness, stop it! But thank goodness the left brake worked, and we stopped, and yeah.
had a good Samaritan help you guys out.
Yay!
There we go. All right, I gotta add that into the video. So, all right.
What is it?
Morning.
Have you already done 50 or 60 miles?
No, I've 100.
It's going good.
An adventure.
It's an adventure.
Y'all aren't having those problems, so that's
No,
good.
we're not. We have some electrical issues, but I think we got them figured out now. So we're gonna go ahead and rock out this 30. Yesterday we were able to complete a century on this big bad boy. And it was an adventure, as she said. So we're in for another adventure today of more hills.
Make this hill submit. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Eat it up for breakfast like Cheerios. 8 hills for breakfast. Let's go. Way to go. Accelerate. You own it. Way to go. Woohoo. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. All right. No, Boston Hill.
How bad was it?
It was a challenge. It was a challenge. Character builder.
Good job. Good job.
We're all good.
On the end zone.
All right, how's the rod going?
Going good, except for the chip seal. It slows me way down. But once we hit that nice smooth pavement, I was flying. They kept thinking they were going to catch me going on the uphill, but just use your little momentum.
How's the bike holding up?
Oh, she's holding up great.
So what's going on with it?
He's got a bent derailleur hanger, he thinks. We'll check and see if it's bent.
But yeah, I'm gonna head back to the finish. I may stop along the way if there's something really cool going on or some really pretty scenery. But it's been a really nice ride so far. Just weather's been beautiful.
Number 15, she raised $8,185. Please give it up for number 15.
What did the team do? Oh, we did great. We all stayed together, holding in great,
They were going nowhere
motivating
fast, but they
each
didn't
other.
turn up the heat.
That's what it's all about, brother.
My second year ride.
What did you think they did better this year than last year?
Well, this year the rest stops were a lot better. The ride was clean, it was good. We had more people involved. Everything was good about it. A lot of safety was involved in it, so I really enjoyed it.
Semper Fi.
Entry cut.
Great ride.
Thanks
Thanks for having us. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
There you go. Beat MS.
Hey, thank you guys so much for helping me hit 500 subscribers, for watching these videos, liking the videos, yelling at me when I'm out here trying to film you guys, and just supporting the channel, man. Thank you so much. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, join in, share the content, and say hello when you see me. All right, guys, peace.